Hi. What's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Australia.
What do you do?
I'm a student. And you?
I work as a teacher.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and watching movies. You?
I enjoy playing football and listening to music.
That's cool. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. Have you traveled a lot?
A little bit. I hope to travel more this year.
Me too. Maybe we'll meet again somewhere.
That would be great.